Take your Excel spreadsheets from static lists to interactive task managers with the simple addition of checkboxes. First, we need to make sure the Developer tab is visible on your Excel ribbon. If you don't see it, go to File, then Options in the Excel Options window, select Customize ribbon on the right side. Under the Main tabs list, tick the box next to Developer and click OK. Now that the Developer tab is active, click on it in the Controls group. You'll find an option called Insert. Click on Insert, and under the Form Controls section, you'll see a checkbox icon. Click on that checkbox icon. Your cursor will change to a crosshair now. Click and drag on your spreadsheet where you want to place the checkbox. You can resize it by dragging the little squares around the checkbox once it's placed. You can repeat this process to add as many checkboxes as you need. For example, you might place them next to a list of tasks to mark them as complete. To link a checkbox to a cell for easier tracking, right-click on the checkbox you just added from the context menu, choose Format Control. In the Format Control window, go to the Control tab. You'll see a field labeled Cell Link. Click into this field, then click on the cell you want to associate with this checkbox, or simply type in the cell reference, like A1. Clicking OK will link the checkbox to that cell. Now, when you click the checkbox, the linked cell will automatically populate with true when it's checked and false when it's unchecked, making it incredibly easy to manage your data and track progress visually. With these interactive checkboxes, you can revolutionize how you manage lists, track project milestones, and organize your workbooks. #Excel tips #data management.